No,
in the straightaways.
Yeah, it's good for you if anything. Yeah. At least he was being generous and waiting for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least. At least he was being generous about that.
Pretty much just got to get him in the braking zones, because this cornering and the straightaway is not happening.
Yeah, I know. At least on straightaways is not going to happen. I think cornering you got him. It's just he just happens to have little braking zones.
You know, this is good. Pretty much the last day on the all seasons, because now I get a scope of who I can keep up with once I get the RT660s. Because clearly, you know, that Mustang was too much for the hydro hatch.
I think so. I mean, like, I wouldn't say it's driver at that point. It's just a car.
Well, clearly, yeah. I mean, that's why I like these matchups. If you look at that, it's like gripping even less than before. Somehow, even though I did the whole lowering the tire pressure to accommodate for the overheating.
Maybe it cooled down too much.
Nah, that's not the problem. It definitely went back up to 10.
Oh, now, yeah. Oh, now, yeah. But maybe originally, yeah, you're right. And then you're just not a fan of double laning.
Well, I can't do it in the daytime, first of all. Definitely not.
Yeah. I mean, like, even nighttime, you don't do it anyways.
There's a time and place. There are certain roads you can do it, like more technical roads. And then there's this one where it's appropriate sometimes, but if you're going to try to measure consistency, then you need to just, might as well stick to single lane across all agreeable platforms. Okay, and I knew it would catch up to traffic at some point, no problem. Well, not bad for
like a daytime driver.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's a Mustang. I mean, GT500. I mean, I'm really
is that
like,
what it is?
Yeah.
Damn.
It's straight up GT500. Yeah, straight up. Yeah.
All right.
I saw that Shelby. I was like, all right, yeah, no, it's a fucking
Here we
Shelby.
go.
The guy heard it. Lovely. Yeah. See, he's just double laning. So I mean, he's just.
Yeah, that is a factor.
Yeah, no, I say that's a huge factor. Yeah, like that's my question. I was like, yeah, you double lane or no? It's all right. If only you had a little more horsepower in this car, I think it'd be okay.
Just grip. I just need grip. That's it.
That's it?
Nothing more.
Nothing more. He said nothing more. All right, you know what? I'll take it more for it. I can't say no.
All right, this is one of the straightaways. If you know the area, you can just carry a ton of speed. So if I can maybe catch him. No, he's going too. He's going too. It's that acceleration.
Dude, yeah, your brakes don't feel that great.
They're fine.
I can feel it from my side when you brake hard. It chatters just a little bit.
Really?
Yeah. No, seriously, yeah. You broke hella hard up there. Yeah. See?
Yep, you're right.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm your co-pilot.
Yeah.
The backlight is overheating.
I guess I was just too in the zone to really notice something like that.
That's cool. See? It's a small thing in life. Yeah, dude. When you find the clip, you find it.
Yeah, clearly. Gotta be receptive to that. Dang, there's that water that was flying.
Sorry, no, I got you. The camera's actually staying still.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good. No, that's a good thing. So yeah, like that. Your brakes don't feel that good, huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
I mean, that's part of the
That's part of the
curse of the downhill, yep.
Okay. Right. We're not gonna do a cool lap pretty much. So. He has a GT500, so don't feel too bad.
I don't feel bad at all. Like that's a given right here.
You're just turning and he's making that sound.
I think his brakes sound pretty race car-y as well. All right.
I think those are your brakes, bro.